The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Gary, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7:45 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots and small hail 8 nautical miles southwest of Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 15 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Northerly Island around 5:50 p.m. Wilmette Harbor around 6:10 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects,